Welcome back everybody to this new video of TechExpress. Today what I wanted to do is to translate my store into a whole new language to feature in conjunction with a translation application. So to get started, the first thing I wanted to do is of course to understand the Shopify multilingual architecture. So the Shopify provides the framework for multiple languages, but it doesn't automatically do the translating from you. It creates a unique URL and stores the translated content. So to fill in that content, you use a translator application. For this tutorial, we're going to be using the Shopify's own translator and adapt application. So ensure your theme supports multiple languages. The free Dawn theme and all modern themes from the Shopify themes are compatible out of the box. So let's enable the new language in the Shopify Administrator tool. We want to log in directly into Shopify. I'm going to close all of these tabs for now. And once we are inside here, you wanted to go for the left corner section that says settings. Then here, I wanted to locate the one that says languages, which appears right over here. Now, wanted to go directly for the settings and look out for the Shopify Translate and Adapt and hit for install. This is an application, of course, that you can download directly from the Shopify App Store. And the Translate and application is going to be helping you with this process. So here to see your store's current languages, you can hit for localized content. For example, let's say English. Here are my products, the collection, the online store, the blogging, the theme, and so much more. So my default language is visible to all my customers. Version customized for markets are only visible to customers in those markets. If I go back for settings and languages, I only have an unpublished language, but I get to hit for add a new language. Select. Let's say I'm going to try add with Spanish. Next. Assign Spanish to a domain. In this case, this is the one. I enable those from default English to Spanish, and I hit for done. Then it says Spanish was added successfully. What's next? So the Shopify often automatically install this application. So in this case, we have already done the process and we have now been ready for that. So once you have translated some of your key content like your homepage, main product, and the navigation, what you wanted to do is to publish it. So go back to settings, languages. We are in here next to the French or unpublished section. As you see in here, it says unpublished languages. What you wanted to do is to go for the three dots that appears in here and go for published. So now if you visit your store, language selector should automatically appear in your header of the folder. So in my case, I already have the Italian unpublished language. So I'm going to choose, let's say for example, translate and adapt from Spanish, of course. So you can be doing all of the process from all my stores. I go for auto translate and I hit that option. So it might be taking a few minutes for, or even several hours, depending on if your store is really large. For in my case, I think it won't take that. So I'm gonna go for settings. Let's focus once again back to languages, and inside languages, since I already have my unpublished language for this one, I go for three dots and I hit for published. There you go. Now if I go back to my store and I reload my page, I might be seeing this new element for where am I located at and the store language. In this case, we are into English. Let's try out the changes for Italian. And there we go. Italian is now appearing in the. So I'm going to hit for home. And you can see that it appears over there. So the CEO and the international currency best practices. For international CEO, the Shopify has you covered because it automatically creates a unique URLs for each languages. It also automatically adds the HRE flag tags to your code, which tells the search engines like Google that you have a French version of your site, helping you to rank in French-speaking countries. It's always crucial, guys, to also offer the local currencies. So to offer the local currency, just go back directly here into settings. And inside settings, you want to look out for your markets. So in my case, I think that my markets can be appearing inside the apps and sales channels. Let's go for locations. and inside locations you can see that it might be appearing in here. So this is your complete guide to translating your Shopify store for a global audience. Once again, about me taking 2 minutes, even hours to make the full translation of your store. So check it out inside the section of your languages, so you can check out in a specific element of your account, and well, you are good to go. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel, guys, if you want to see more amazing tools on how we can make translations and much more stuff into Shopify. Thank you so much for watching this video, and hopefully we can all see you guys next time.